Hi everybody. So I have some very exciting news to share with you today as to how my two online bookkeeping courses are doing. So as many of you know, I released two online bookkeeping courses on the educational website called udemy.com. And I just wanted to show you the results of my hard work. So here we are on udemy.com's main website, and we're going to search for bookkeeping, which is the category which my two bookkeeping courses are grouped under. So as you can see, there are 549 results for bookkeeping. So there are close to 550 bookkeeping courses on Udemy. And then here are the top 3 courses. And then here is number 4, 5, and 6. And you'll actually notice that these two courses, number 5 and 6, these are actually my courses. So you see my name, Calvin Lee. And this is my Bookkeeping Basics Explained Course. It was a 2-hour bookkeeping course, which I released just last week. And I was so excited today to open up Udemy and see it ranked in the top 5 of all the bookkeeping courses on Udemy. And then right underneath it is my 1-hour bookkeeping course, which I released about a month and a half ago. This is a 1-hour bookkeeping course, and it received just so much enthusiasm from the students. So let's go in and take a look at the details of these two courses here. So for Bookkeeping Basics Explained, there are now 24 ratings and with a 4.5 stars, and there are 5,700 students registered for this course, of which I was just so excited to see the overwhelming enthusiasm. I think it's because of the popularity of my first course, the 1-hour bookkeeping course. And as you can see, this one here, there are 73 ratings and it got 4.3 stars, and over 8,000 students have already registered for this course. And it actually got the hot and new sticker from Udemy, which means that Udemy is actually promoting this course on my behalf a lot to new students because it's just so popular with students. I think it's because they see that I have all the designations and credentials as a teacher, and I also have the past teaching experience at the Schulich School of Business, which is Canada's top MBA program. So I think my profile actually really helped get my courses to the very top of the Udemy platform for bookkeeping. So very, very excited that my two bookkeeping courses made it to the top 10, and Bookkeeping Basics Explained actually made it into the top 5. And if we actually search for bookkeeping and accounting, so we're expanding it a little bit. So there were 500 or so bookkeeping courses specifically for bookkeeping, but there are actually 8,000 courses if you search for bookkeeping and accounting. And what's very exciting is the 1-hour bookkeeping and accounting course is actually ranked number 2 for this particular keyword. So very, very excited. And my other course, which I just released last week, the Bookkeeping Basics Explained course, is also further down on page number 1. So very, very excited. Thank you so much for those of you who have enrolled in my course. And I'm just so pumped up and excited to continue creating more useful and good courses for you. And I really enjoy sharing my experience and my knowledge with other people. I really, really enjoyed my time teaching at York University, the Schulich School of Business, to the MBA students and to the Master of Accounting students. It's just so much fun teaching, sharing knowledge is really my passion. So thank you those of you who have supported me along this journey.